recording? Fantastic. Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skatepark Check-ins New York City edition. Right now we are at the St. Mary's playground. We're in Brooklyn, New York, and I believe we stumbled across the smallest park ever. This is episode 20, and if you don't believe me that this is the smallest park, well, come on in. See for yourself. Let's get in here. Guys, we're in the park. We're right under a bridge, right off the bat. We got a long fun box. The thing I don't like about this is got these rocks right here. Same thing with the rail. I don't know, kind of messes up the flow a little bit. That's just me, I don't care. You could try to hit the fun box from this side. It's definitely doable, but it's real tight. You sweep this area out. I like the box, I don't like how it's set up. That's just me personally. I wanted to talk about that rail. Perfect round rail, bolted to the ground, but it's the same thing with the rocks. You know, you can hit it from the other side. It's not obstructed as much. You still have those rocks there. You gotta do the whole rail. Do the whole rail. Yo, we're almost done with the park. You're looking at it. This is a rad feature. It's 2 quarter pipes set up like a mini, probably 3 foot high. It's definitely a perfect mini ramp. So beginners, get over here to this ramp. If you're in the area, wall ride ledge. That's probably like 2 foot high. So it's pretty big. That side's slanted. Use it like a bank, hit it like a fun box, skate it like a ledge. I don't know, man. That's the whole park. Amazing, right? They probably could have extended the park over a little more that way. If you live close by, like, hold on, it's super loud here. All right. If you live locally, I guess you're like, hey, let me go warm up here. But there's really not much here. So let's skate. I'm a little hurt, but I still wanted to get some stuff done. So we're here. Let's skate. Let's get it. Ground report. Smooth. Done. The homies came to bail me out. My man Phil. Yeah. What's good? Mikey Watson in the building. We're not in the building, but in the house. We're not in the house. Under the bridge. Mikey Watson up under the bridge. Thank you, Lord. Because I'm skating like doo-doo. Ant knows it too. He's like, man.
killed it, bro. He killed it.
Hello, Anthony.
Hello.
Oh!
You want to talk about how you're doing this trick? Struggling maybe?
I am struggling with this trick, but it's a new trick, and if I land it, I'd be hyped. It's worth it. I'm hurt, and I'm just sticking to one trick today, so it is what it is. We got the homies here. Thank you guys for coming out, saving my ass. I'm only trying one trick. Oh! My toe came off. Listen, it's sketchy. I admit it, it's sketchy, but I'm coming back.
That's determination right there, my brother.
Work in progress.
Yo, that was fire.
Thank you, I landed it. I'm not trying anymore.
You're done.
That's it, I'm cut.
Wrap it up.
Cut off.
Let's wrap it up.
Tried too many tries.
That was dope.
Thank you. Listen, thanks to the homies for showing up, first of all. Thank you guys, Mikey Watson, Phil, UJ. Thank you so much for pulling through. I focused a lot of my time today on one trick and I got it. So I'm very hyped. Like I said, my back was tweaked and that's it. We gave you a sode. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hitting every park in New York City, coming to a borough near you. Hit that notification button. Don't make us come to your house, because we will. Don't make me. Find us at Rad Boardsport Co. on Instagram, also on Facebook, and find our merchandise. www.radboardsport.co. Thank you for checking out the St. Mary's Playground skate park. Yo, I'm out of here, man. Ride all day.
I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.
Now I gotta look at your face.
I'm a kook.